Are you struggling to find a compact camera that delivers stunning quality without the hassle? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Easy Hood Camera Case in black, priced at just $13.99. What caught my attention is its stylish design that not only looks good, but also protects your Canon Powershot G7X Mark III. If you want to keep your camera safe without sacrificing aesthetics, this is worth a serious look. So, why should you consider this case? For starters, it's made from soft silicone, which means it enhances your grip and reduces slipperiness when you're shooting. It has precise cutouts that align perfectly with buttons and ports, allowing you easy access to everything you need. Plus, the lightweight design means it won't add bulk to your camera back. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're out vlogging or traveling, the last thing you want is your camera slipping out of your hand. With over 2,000 units sold in the past month alone, it's clear that many buyers are finding value in this product. Now, I have to be real with you. Some users mentioned that the fit can be a bit too snug, which may make it tricky to remove quickly. But here's the thing. If you're someone who values protection over quick access, this snug fit is a small price to pay for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator who wants protection without sacrificing style. Skip this one if you prefer a hard case or need easy access to switch batteries frequently. For the price, it's a solid investment to protect your gear. Now, if that snug fit concerned you, this next product takes a completely different approach with a hard shell design. Product number 2, Easy Hood Camera Case in Tiffany Pink. Up next on the list is the Easy Hood Camera Case in Tiffany Pink, retailing at $14.99. This one really stands out for its trendy color and stylish design that complements the sleek look of your G7X Mark III. If you want to add a splash of color while keeping your camera protected, this is definitely worth a serious look. This case features the same soft silicone material that improves grip and comfort, which is essential when you're out capturing moments. It has precise cutouts so you won't miss a beat while accessing your buttons and ports. Plus, it's lightweight, which means you can carry it anywhere without the added bulk. This matters for you because when you're on the move, you want to be able to grab your camera and start shooting without fumbling around. With several hundred sold recently, it's clearly a favorite. However, some users have commented on the limited color options, saying they wish there were more choices. But here's my take. If Tiffany Pink is your vibe, then this case is a great match. If you're looking for something more neutral, you may want to skip this. This is perfect for you if you love aesthetics and want something stylish that protects your camera. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional color palette. Considering the price point, it's an excellent way to accessorize your camera. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a dedicated case to store accessories. Product number 3, Canbach Camera Case. The Canbach camera case is up next, priced at $14.99. This hard case offers a more structured solution for your G7X Mark III, which really caught my eye. If you're looking for a case that not only protects your camera, but also offers extra storage for accessories, this might be your best bet. What makes this case stand out is its durable EVA shell that keeps your camera safe from bumps and drops. It features an inner zipper mesh pocket, which is perfect for holding your batteries and USB cable, so you can stay organized while on the go. Here's why this matters. If you're traveling, having everything in one place means you won't be scrambling to find your charger when you need it most. With several hundred sold recently, it's clear that many find it useful. However, some reviews pointed out that it doesn't come with the camera itself, it's just a case. But here's the thing. If you already have a camera, investing in a quality case is essential to ensure longevity. This is perfect for you if you want a structured case that keeps everything organized. Skip this one if you prefer a more lightweight solution without extra storage. Overall, for the price, you're getting excellent protection for your gear. Now, if you're after a camera with exceptional features, the next product is a camera that might just blow your mind with its capabilities. Product number 4, Canon Point-and-Shoot Camera. The Canon Point-and-Shoot digital camera priced at $699. What really caught my attention is its powerful 40x optical zoom feature, which is a game changer for capturing distant subjects. If you want versatility in your photography, this is worth a serious look. This camera offers 4K video capabilities and a 20.3 MP CMOS sensor, which means you can capture stunning details even in low light. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology makes it easy to share your photos instantly. Here's why that matters for you. If you're out and about and want to share moments on social media, having that connectivity is essential. With a solid number of positive reviews, it's clear that many find this camera reliable. But here's the thing. A few users have mentioned that the interface can be a bit clunky, especially for beginners. However, if you're willing to invest the time to learn, the features you gain are certainly worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a camera that can do it all, from casual snapshots to serious photography. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward point-and-shoot experience. For the features you get, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more specialized, the last product on our list offers just that. Product number 5, Canon Powershot G7X Mark III, renewed with an advanced accessory bundle, priced at $1,479.95. This camera truly shines with its 20.2 MP stocked CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor, which means you can expect incredible image quality. If you want the best of the best for professional quality shots, this is worth a serious look. What really sets this camera apart is the 4.2x optical zoom and the ability to shoot in RAW format, so you have more editing flexibility later. It also features a 24 to 100mm lens, which is perfect for everything from wide-angle landscapes to stunning portraits. Here's why this matters. If you're serious about photography or videography, having that flexibility can take your work to the next level. Although this is a more expensive option, the quality speaks volumes. Some buyers expressed concerns about the price, saying it might not be worth it for casual users. But here's my perspective. If you're genuinely passionate about your photography or videography, this investment can bring significant returns in quality. This is perfect for you if you're a serious creator looking for high-end features. Skip this one if you're a casual user who just needs something basic. Given everything included, it's a premium choice for serious photographers. To wrap it all up, we've covered a range of options from protective cases to high-end cameras. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Canon Powershot G7X Mark III because of its superior quality and features for serious creators. The one to avoid would be the Easy Hood camera case in Tiffany Pink if you're looking for something more neutral. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.